This tiny piece of information comes from a tipster on X who has been giving out details on Android 15 and One UI updates, and it seems that you may be able to turn off thermal throttling. Tucked away in the Developer Options menu, which is essentially the techie playground that most everyday users are afraid to explore, it is full of sophisticated settings designed for developers and enthusiasts. However, it seems that Samsung is reintroducing a feature that was briefly accessible in One UI 6. Being able to adjust performance settings might be a true game-changer if you're not a big gamer but want to extend the life of your battery. Yes, you read correctly, the Galaxy S25 series may finally provide seamless updates. Samsung is ready to keep up with the times by implementing a quicker update procedure. For a time now, Google has offered seamless updates to Android that enable rapid background downloads without interfering with phone usage. But Samsung flagships have been falling behind, using the antiquated technique of restarting your phone and then enduring a drawn-out installation. When the Galaxy S25 range is released next year, Liron X claims that it will be able to support these seamless updates. You may continue using your phone while the updates are downloading in the background, just restart it when requested, and presto, you're up to current. Although Samsung's Galaxy S25 5G had this capability earlier this year, the S25 series will be the first flagship devices to allow seamless updates, which is a significant development. The 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED screen that the Galaxy S25 is expected to sport claims to enhance brightness and color accuracy, making your content really stand out. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, support for HDR10+, and a crisp 1080 by 2340 resolution, you'll get it all. It's all covered by Gorilla Glass Virtus 3, so you know durability is important. A 12-megapixel punch-hole camera is located up front for selfies, while a triple camera array with telephoto, wide, and ultra-wide lenses is located on the back. Although the precise sensors have not yet been revealed, we may anticipate strong photographic capabilities. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will power the S25 in the US, while the Exynos 2500 or MediaTek chipsets will power variants elsewhere. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.